Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by launching the Compass app on your iPhone 16 and granting location and motion access. This lets the phone combine GPS, magnetometer, and gyroscope data. Once done, set the device flat on your palm and away from metal or speakers, because nearby magnetic interference skews readings. If calibration appears, complete the figure-8 motion. It aligns the magnetometer. Make sure to keep orientation steady. These first actions let the compass give accurate heading and tilt readings. Now you use and interpret the readings. The large number is your heading in degrees, with elevation and coordinates shown below for context. To keep a bearing while you move, tap the lock icon. The compass will track relative changes while holding that heading. Once done, rotate the screen or map with 2 fingers to align a route. If you require true north instead of magnetic north, go into Settings and toggle Declination Correction. That corrects local variation, so navigation matches maps precisely. Finally, combine compass with maps. Tap Share to send your bearing or coordinates into a route or message, which makes handoff quick. Use the compass as a reliable fallback in low-cell areas because it relies on internal sensors. Pair it with offline maps and visible landmarks for best results. If values start to jump, remove any magnetic case, toggle location services, and repeat the figure-8 calibration. This resolves most sensor errors and restores stable, trustworthy headings so you can continue.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.